In today's video, I'll teach you how to create seller account on Whatnot. So first of all, launch open Whatnot application. You can see over here Whatnot application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to create the seller account, it is actually very simple. Tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your account interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At top, you'll be able to find this section for interested in selling. So from here, you'll be able to get started with your seller account. So what you have to do is tap on this option, get started, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to start creating your seller account. You'll be able to see these informations over here. Simply check on this box in order to agree to the rules. Now tap on this option, got it, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to select the category that you would like to sell. Tap on the option of your choice and tap on this option next that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to answer few more questions. You'll be able to see the subcategories over here. Simply tap on the category of your choice. Now tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see this question, which of these better describes you. You'll be able to see the options over here. Tap on the option of your choice. Now tap on the next option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. You can see this question, on average how much do you make per month from selling? So what you have to do is tap on the field of select. Now select the answer. Now tap on the next option again. Now you can see this question, where else have you sold? Simply select the option of your choice by tapping on the select option. Now after you do that, also make sure to provide the URL. Now tap on the next option again. Also answer this question, do you use social media to sell or promote your shop? You can also skip it if you want. Now after you do that, your seller account will be created. You'll be able to find the options like shop, shows, reviews and clips in your profile. That means now you'll be able to sell on Whatnot. So that is how you create Whatnot seller account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.